Is that what they're doing?
Oh, another one just crossed.
Look at, he's standing right in the middle of the road.
He's standing.
Yeah, see the guy in the yellow?
Oh, yeah, I see him. So he's just
standing there.
From
That car is almost against him.
Yeah. Rubbing his butt on the
He's
bumper.
scratching his side on the front bumper of that truck. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he's moving. See?
Oh yeah. Wow.
They don't seem aggressive.
That's why they're dangerous.